Hey guys, it's Rachel, and today I will be making another Crumbl copycat cookie recipe because that video did really well. So this time I will be trying to make the churro cookies from scratch. So these cookies are pretty simple. What they are is essentially a snickerdoodle or a churro cookie base with some cinnamon sugar frosting on top. And in order to make my cookies today, I am using Redmond's HandMixer, which comes in this beautiful baby blue turquoise color. I love the different settings that you can use for this hand mixer, and there's even this special setting that allows it to go on turbo mode, which is crazy. You can just see the speed of those mixers turn so much more rapidly with this hand mixer. So I definitely recommend it, and feel free to check out my description box for more details on where to purchase this mixer. So actually making these cookies is super easy. You'll just need to cream together your butter and sugars until light and creamy. Then you'll go ahead and add in your egg yolk, lemon juice, and vanilla and mix that until combined. Then toss in your dry ingredients and mix until just combined. So Crumbl cookies are known for being massive in size, so I'm using about 2 tablespoons per scoop for each cookie dough ball to make the appropriately sized Crumbl cookie. I'm also flattening the tops of each cookie just to make sure they have a slightly flatter shape. And then at the very end, we are going to coat them in a nice dusting of cinnamon sugar. We'll bake them off at 350 degrees for about 10 minutes. Then we'll let those cookies go ahead and cool down on a wire rack until they are fully cool. In the meantime, let's go ahead and get started on our cinnamon sugar or churro buttercream while those cookies are cooling. It's pretty simple. All you need to do is beat together the butter, powdered sugar, brown sugar, cinnamon, and vanilla flavoring, as well as 1 to 2 tablespoons of heavy cream. Mine was a little bit thick at first, so I added in a little bit extra to make it more creamy. Make sure your cookies are completely cool before you start frosting them, or you'll run into this issue where the buttercream kind of just slides off of your cookie. And you'll just want to use a piping tip in order to make those beautiful swirls of icing. The last thing is to dust or finish off your cookies with an additional amount of brown sugar, cinnamon, and regular sugar. And there you have it. That is how you make these thick, big bad boy churro cookies from Crumbl Cookies. I dug into this and they were basically like an elevated cinnamon snickerdoodle cookie, and I was absolutely in love. So let me know if you guys try out this recipe, and I'll see you next week with an all new one.